There's some nice fireworks over there. Nice some fireworks. Light some of those fireworks, okay? Come on. Really? Are they gone? Okay, over here. No. Seriously? I'm in recording. Seriously? Seriously, come on. Come on. Like, come on. Come on. Is there any more? Alright. I hope you enjoyed this short little 4th of July episode. Now, if you did have a great 4th of July, tell me in the comments below, and I'll pick the most helpful comment, and I'll put you in my circle. Now, see you guys next time. Happy 4th of July!